my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, we are going to be, and unboxings, we're going to do the unboxing of the July premium box for Boxycharm. They have a ton of different versions, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway in this video. One of the products in here, I don't know which one yet. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July's Ace Beauté Slice of Paradise palette. I'll put that link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that, as well as my many other giveaways. Two biggest rules for my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. I'm trying to get my watch time minutes up so I can get this monetized, which I need to do. So this is the premium box. It is $35 a month. They have had some really cool things in here, so I can't wait to find out what's in here. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you would like. It saves you some money, and then it gets me some extra bonus points as well. I did already unbox the base box for July, and I'll put that link in the description box down below as well if you haven't already checked it out. So let's dive in and find out what's in here. Like I said, one of these things is coming to one of you. Some of you guys have asked me what I've been putting on my eyes lately. So I'm gonna try and remember to start telling you guys this. So I'm using the Tarte's Pro palette from Tarte, and it's mainly these bottom rows here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have version number 59. How many versions are there? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing too. So the first product in here is from a brand I haven't heard from before, Byroe. This is the Bitter Essence Toner. And the Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetables extracts, including artichokes, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. Sign me up for that part. This does retail for $95 for a toner. You better be keeping my lot of premature aging going on for that price. It's a really pretty bottle. I think it's just a clear bottle, and that's the color of the toner in there that's making it that really pretty kind of aqua green. So can't wait to try this. Hopefully it does amazing things for that price. From Milk Makeup is their Kush Lash Primer. I've tried the mascara before, haven't tried a primer. It's a lash primer with thickening, heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-delivered cannabis seed oil for our volumizing base. It does have a white tint to it. So on the ones that have the white tint, which I have one on now from a different brand, but put it on and then immediately go in and put your mascara in. It'll definitely do a dramatic difference as far as lengthening, and it'll cover up that white. You don't want to wait for that white to dry, or it'll start to flake on you once you start putting on your mascara. So I can't wait to try this one out since I'm done with my other one. From Nelson J. Beverly Hills, I got a sample of this in something. This is the Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask. This 100% argan oil delivered moisturizing hair treatment is for color treated, trying to grow out the color treated part, dry or damaged hair, detangles, please, controls frizz, please, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine, and enhances hair's natural body. It says retail for $24. Like I said, I have tried the sample size and I really, really enjoyed that. So looking forward to this one. From Brow Bar by Reema is the Hollywood Icon Face Kit. Bombshells, get ready for your close-up with the Brow Bar by Reema's Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen. Try not to be a drama queen. Each palette comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and a brush. A complete ready to go, all in a beautiful gold compact. This will be perfect for you if you're traveling anywhere. That's what the packaging looks like. Sorry for the fingerprints on it. This is really pretty, you guys. So here's your 2 highlighter shades, your blush shades, and your eyeshadow shades. Super, super pretty. So I'm not gonna swatch it because, like I said, I do eyeshadow palette giveaways, so I'm gonna save this for an upcoming palette. This does retail though, you guys, for $45. So right there, you just paid for your box. And then it does have this cute little double-ended brush in it. From Coco Naturale is a milk and honey cuticle revitalizing oil. It's unique, natural, hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorbs completely to nourish the cuticles of your skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. It does retail for $18. Here's what this looks like. It's huge for cuticle oil. I'm used to these little tiny, tiny itty bitty things. There's a little dropper here. You gotta be careful that you don't put like way too much on. So there's not really a scent to it at all. So, but that thing would last you forever. It's 2.5 fluid ounces, so it's gonna last you guys a long time. Finally, from Morphe and Manny, I wanted to try some of their palettes for a long time. This is the Glam palette. Are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirrored palette pairs up to 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. This does retail for $20 and it's collaboration of Manny MUA and also Morphe. A big mirror on this side. Here are your highlighter shades. And look how pretty those shades are. You could do some really cute looks with this. The Cancer shade here and the Aries shade, they are screaming my name, but I'm feeling very generous. Feeling like I love you guys a lot. So this is what we're gonna be giving away in today's video. Let me total up this box though really quick. So total of this box is $226. My base box was worth more than my premium box. And I don't know if that's happened before, guys. There was a super expensive item in the base box though. So what you need to do for this one, like I said before, like this video, watch this video in its entirety. I gotta get my watch time minutes up, you guys, I've got to. You must be a subscriber. I do check. I do all of my giveaways on Google Forms. Make sure to fill out that link. Make sure to put on the link on the form what your YouTube name is. That way I can verify, yes, this person is a subscriber. Only fill out that form once. That way it is fair to everyone. I'll use a random number generator when I pick the winner, and that way, like I said before, I keep everything fair for everyone. It is open internationally, although I'm not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, anything like that for it to get to you. Also, YouTube is in no way affiliated with this. This is a way of me giving back to you. I love being a ray of sunshine in today's kind of weird, crazy world we're living in. So this giveaway will go through August 20th, on August 21st, I'll go ahead and pick the winner, and I will pin that person's first name, first initial of their last name in the comments down below. That way you know, yes, I have picked a winner. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty AMA, AMA, and the letter B. And then also, if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Like I said, I'm really trying to grow this channel here. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, please check them out if you haven't already. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and take care of one another. And good luck on the giveaway. I will see you soon. Bye.